Why should a BA English student have a LinkedIn profile? You might have an Instagram account, maybe a Facebook account, maybe a YouTube channel, maybe something like Snapchat. But LinkedIn, it's way too professional. You might think that this is something that uh, professionals should start, but you're wrong here then. LinkedIn is something that every BA English student should have, and I will tell you the reason. My name is Google Krishnan, and welcome to English Wizards. I will give you 5 reasons why you should have a LinkedIn account right from the start of your BA English degree. First, it helps you to build a professional network. Let me tell you, from a 10 year of experience studying and teaching English language and literature, building a professional network is extremely important. Be it with your friends or maybe other BA English students from other colleges, or maybe with your teachers, maybe with different academicians, maybe with different other professionals. Building a network is extremely important. And through this way, you can expand your reach to other fields like publishing, journalism, content writing, other business setups, etc. And I believe that building a network is extremely important to build your career. Reason number two, displaying your writings, be it academic writing, maybe let it be creative writing, maybe your other creativities, like maybe you have a YouTube channel, you would want to put your content out there, and you would want other people to see, as in professionals to see, professionals to recognize you. Then this is a platform. You can share your papers, you can share your creative writing videos, maybe photos, maybe your achievements. This is the place for you. Reason number three, many organizations, many business setups, business firms, they post their job vacancies and other opportunities like internship in LinkedIn. If you search the LinkedIn profile of a company, maybe you can see the different openings that they have. Maybe let's say you have a dream company. Let's call it X. Now you want to do something with X or something for X or with X. Now, how would you find the different opportunities that X offers? Maybe go to your LinkedIn profile and see what are the new openings. And this is why LinkedIn will help you to find such opportunities. Reason number four, you can always stay informed and inspired. Uh, whenever I feel like a lack of motivation to work on my research, I go to LinkedIn and see the different activities that different researchers out there do, and immediately I feel that okay, I should do this. I get inspired. I know I should do this. They're doing this. They're doing that, and maybe I can do this because. If I try, I can do this. So LinkedIn gives me that platform where I can watch what other people are doing, maybe get inspired by that. And the last reason, you can establish an early online presence. This is 2025, and without an online presence, it's going to get difficult for you. Be it professional world, maybe in a personal trajectory, whatever, online presence is inevitable. And let's imagine you start right at 18 when you join for a BA English course, and you slowly build your profile. Initially it could be, it may not be that built, but slowly, step by step, maybe by the end of your third year, you would have an amazing LinkedIn profile, and this can fetch you a lot of opportunities, a lot of networks. You can talk to people, you can talk to professionals out there, find different opportunities. To conclude, LinkedIn is a must-have if you are a bachelor student, be it in English or maybe in any other subject. Uh, Having a LinkedIn profile is extremely important. Trust me on this, and thanks for watching.